Welcome to Wonkeyjase.
So today we're looking around the Morgan Motor Factory, and there's no holes bars. They show you around the whole lot. It costs about £30 to have a look round, and it's on a guided tour, and it's well worth the time and effort. There's a couple of cars outside the actual factory. There's the inside the factory where you see the aluminum and the actual wood where they fit together and make the classic idea of the wood being part of the frame. Very nice car there. I think that's the Aero Max. That's the actual staples holding the So that one there is one of the Morgan racing vehicles. There's only a few of those ever made, and I believe they're quite successful just because the pure weight of them allow them to go around rather fast. And that's the new Super Sport that's out at currently, and that's the off-road model. That's just a picture of that one. We couldn't actually get to see it at the time. It was in the research and design studio rather than the actual factory itself, which is a bit disappointed. And there's the free-reader again. That one is actually electric. That sheet there, we have a logbook that goes around with the vehicle the whole time. So every time somebody does anything to the car, they go to their page, say like interior or brakes, they do their bit, and then they actually sign it off, and you know exactly who has been working on that vehicle, which is quite nice. And they still do that today. They do a manual and a digital version, so they like to keep up the heritage and the history of doing that. And there's the air race car again, which is looking rather nice. So they still have apprenticeships, and they teach the younger generation all the skills they need to work with the wood and more with the aluminum now, because they're expanding out, and they are actually going into the electric market, because they don't want to close the factory when they get forced to go for the electric. So they are moving into electric department at the moment. They're spending 2 to 3 million on research and design. They made a few electric vehicles, but nothing spectacular yet. But watch this space. This is the where they put the layers of wood together, and they start to mould it into the for the arches, etc. So they put one piece of wood across and put it into the shape, and then they add another piece. They bond it together, then it holds into that machine for a while. This is where they bend the aluminum around to make the shape that they want, and it's all done by hand. No machines apart from the manually made machines and made yeah, isn't it? So one of those, and yeah, so easy for you to say.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
So, hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe and comment below. We're also on TikTok and on the next video. If you make sweet love to a car, can you make it pregnant? We find out in the next video, only on Wonkeyjase. Bye bye for now.